Let's say that I wanted to create a new Act Insight view to display different types of edits taking place in the current database. It's pretty easy to create views and charts in Act Insight, and here's how. First, once you've logged into Act and you've gone to the Act Insight area, click the Options button on the right to open the Options panel. Now I'm going to create the view first because I want my new charts to show up on this view. Whenever you create a new chart in Act Insight, it's going to add that chart to the view you're currently looking at. So let's add a view by clicking the Add a View button, and I'm going to call this view Database Activity. And then I'll click the Add New button. Now that was easy to create a view. We have a blank view ready to populate with some charts. So let's click the Create a Chart button, and we're going to give this new chart a name, Field Activity. Now I need to determine the entity type, and that's going to be History. Next, I need to choose a field, and this field will be History Type. For operation, I'm going to do a count, and for chart type, let's do a bar chart. And then click the Save Chart button at the bottom. This chart now appears in our view. Let's add another chart. We'll click the Create a Chart button again, and this time we're going to call it Record Manager Activity. Once again, the entity is going to be History. The field this time will be History Owner. And again, we're going to do a count. This time for the chart type, we'll do a column. And then I'm going to create one more chart. This time I'm going to call it Shared Records. And for the entity type, we'll do History. The field that I'm interested in is called Share With. And I'll do another count operation, and we'll choose a pie chart this time and click Save. Now if I want, I can unlock these charts and rearrange them in any way so that they look good to me, like that. I'll disable the resizing toggle switch, and now I'm going to close my options panel. This new view gives me insight into what changes are taking place in my database and which of my record managers are making the most changes.